What's up, team? We're back here at Blue Rose, Sandringham Road, 414.
Why are we here, bro? Why are we here?
We're here because our good friend Egan over here is leaving us.
Not leaving, man. Just
He's leaving us to another organization.
And we want to introduce our new recruit here.
Our new recruit here. Her name is Summer.
Junior.
Say hi to the camera.
Hello. I feel very privileged and honoured to be a part of this fight club. I hope that I can stay in it.
Tell us a little about yourself. Where you from?
I'm from Afghanistan. I live in Avondale. That's it. Thank you.
And have you enjoyed your first experience with the boys?
Yes, I have, but Joe really bullied me, so I don't like that. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Yeah. Very special. We've only had one female come, and that's Summer.
Right here.
Yeah, otherwise it's the boys.
Yeah. It's called the Boys Fight Club.
Yeah.
Plus me.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, check this out. Check the Summer. This is the before.
Oh yeah.
Watch this space.
I'm on my health journey.
Yeah. Yeah. Got the help of Joe. Yeah. And this guy too. Look how big he's got. Look at that chest.
I feel like we should do a 75 hard.
75 hard, yeah.
Everyone should document it.
You were the one that dropped out first
I don't
from our BBC 75.
Hold on.
Okay?
Hold on.
Okay, let's not get that in the camera. Positive vibes.
Okay. Positive vibes only. Alright? They bring that energy here. Okay?
So that's our crew. Our good skate Egan one more time. Brother Egan. Thanks Egan for paying for lunch.
No worries,
Brunch.
man. No worries.
And Henry, you loud on the camera or are you still? Brother Henry.
What's up?
What's up? Man. Alright. So yep. And Sam, going to Melbourne?
Yep, going to Melbourne T-minus 2 months, I think.
What area?
St. Albans. Or maybe in the city, you know, because I'm a city boy.
So, you know, Sam's looking for work if you're in Melbourne.
Nah, I'm
Oh,
good.
no,
I'm
good. Oh, he's good. Oh, he's good. He's good. He's good. So
Work on the girls.
Oh. If you're single, or what? Do you like Asians, Islanders?
Hey,
Middle East?
if your skin ain't touched by the sun, I'm coming after you.
Pakalo Fatumako. Just got back. Had awesome breakfast with the boys, brunch. You know, I was meant to go and help my sister out with her porphyry, and we're meant to go to Rokaka. Cancelled because the missus got pneumonia. I'm just in Middlemore. I'll turn it off. Hang on, I'll come back. Alright. We made it out. Yep. We're just walking to the car. So yeah, what I was saying was Rokaka got cancelled. Unfortunately, my kids been looking forward to that all summer, and then on the Thursday we were meant to leave. My missus said she couldn't breathe, so then we went to Edie, Middlemore, and then they took her right in. Usually we wait 8 hours to see someone, but she was just let right in. That's how bad it was. She said she couldn't breathe. So sucky, eh? Now here, this is Middlemore Hospital. Discharged today. We came in on Thursday and we left left Monday. Today's Monday. Waitangi Day tomorrow. So it's cool. We out, don't have to travel as much. And yeah, we're just happy to be gone. Happy to have Danielle back. As for Middlemore Hospital, good service. You know, a lot of international nurses. Very diverse. Very, very diverse. So now we might go and get a nice feed, because hospital food is great, but maybe try something else. They offered the lunch. Do you want to have your lunch before you go? We're like, nah. So we're gonna go to a restaurant, probably somewhere nice.